What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there, my people. You understand? New Link from New Link Production. So, my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, people. Right now, I'm going to cover that story. You understand? And it's about the elderly man, people, the 66-year-old man who the police found down in the hole in a St. Catherine, people, over Jones Avenue in a Spanish Town. And if you tell you the truth, people, it's really a sad situation. No joke about it, my people. Zine. So, right now, my people, I have a recording and I just go play this recording, my viewers and subscribers, and then me just read the article, you understand? Because the article basically explain everything. You see about the recording and everything, people, but just go play the recording, my viewers and subscribers, and then the attacking boss drop back in. So let's listen to this.
Search with the gun light, they could not see me. When they get fed up of searching with the gun light, they start to throw big stones, dig down this thing in the pit, and then they pour some liquid smell like gas or gas oil, drop some plastic down there, it catch a fire, and then I have a piece of board that I find down there, I pull it in and bat it out. I did have doubt in my mind. I was questioning God all the time, because I did have doubt about God. But I pray to God. I said, God, you are the God that made heaven. You are the God that made earth. You are the God that made mankind. So you know where I am. Send angels. Take me out. Going down to the bottom of it. When I learn how far I fall and without a broken bone, I know it could never be no one else but God. It had to be a miracle. All doubt about God leave my mind immediately. And I want to go all over as much as I can to tell the people that one God. I forgive those two guys who do this to me because they are young people. And when you are young, you make a lot of mistakes. I think they are in late teen, early 20s. They are very young people. So I know that's the time we make a lot of mistakes when we are young, because we feel everything okay. We feel nothing can go wrong.
Yeah, my people. So that's where now the elderly man, people, I speak and I explain to the thing, because a lot of people say, yo, it's a miracle. A lot of people say, yo, John, know them can't believe, say, yo, Papa do make it out, people. But me I tell you, God not ready for this man and the people, and God have the man for a purpose. See? And he manage people 4 days, 4 nights in the whole people in the pit hole, where the boy them over him people, the boy over him a yard hole. You understand? And the man done in the people, boy them left the man for dead. But by Jah, the man survived, people. So let me just read this thing and now my viewers and subscribers, and we can go over this. Cause yo, only Jah sees and he knows. The elderly man who was attacked, robbed and thrown in an over 50-foot deep pit to die says the ordeal has cemented his belief in God. George Smart says he is a Christian, but he has always had doubts. My viewers and subscribers, listen, you know, over 50-foot deep. That's how deep the pit is, you know. Them boy are wicked, you know. Just see, yo, they same thing are wicked, you know. Over 50 foot, the same thing, they fling the man down in the people. Oh my pearl, oh my precious New Link. Jaja. He says several efforts by his captors to kill him proved futile. And he believes God delivered him to share a message to the world. He says his ordeal started after 9 p.m. on Thursday, after dropping a friend home in Spanish Town. Mr. Smart says as he was leaving the gritty inner city community of Jones Avenue, he was stopped and pulled over by 2 armed young men. He says they threatened to kill him if he made an alarm. Mr. Smart says in the pitch black of night, the men took him on a hill in bushes, rolled away a metal cover from a pit, and told him to lower himself in it. He says he fell over 50 feet down in the hole, but only sustained minor bruises to his head, neck and back. He says the next day the men returned and realized he wasn't dead. Mr. Smart says he's prayed day and night for deliverance from what he calls the bottomless pit. Jaja. He says it's miraculous that he had survived the incident. He is also expressing forgiveness for his captors. Mr. Smart says the men appear to be teenagers or in their 20s. Jaja sees my people. Jaja knows. You see how the same thing them wicked, my people? Them take the man, you know. See? And came and go dash him down in a pit over 50 foot deep in a night. They look at old man. I left him there for dead, you know. Then same thing are wicked. You see how when police hold them same thing are people. They might not figure eating the taxpayer money. Them are same thing are yo. But yo, remember me tell them same thing are people. Just sees and Jaja knows. What kind of bad man ship them here? What kind of gangster ship them here? Them are in a gangster this, them are in a bad man this. If you take one look old man and carry him, take a car and whatever, go throw him down in a pit. Them here is nothing. Them here is some fool, them here is some punk. Zin, and some punk, come go punk do them something here. But by the help of the Almighty people, the man survive and the man live. You understand? And if you come tell the tales are go on. See? Jones Avenue people is a place some love. In a Spanish town, a place some go, place some sleep, place some dead. See? And when me the Avenue people, them thing I never go on. You know what I mean? Only thing me know is when they are going to Avenue, more you know who you go to and a man who see and say, yo, if you look strange in the place and say boom boom and you give him some info and you make a call, boom, and then you come say boom and you know what I mean? But if you tell now people, why the demons Lego all over the place. All over the demons Lego people. But just sees and Jaja knows. Remember, you know, time will tell my people. Time will tell the bottomless pit. That's how grandpapa have to call it, people. The bottomless pit. Over 50 foot deep. Normally, me know a pit in a Jamaica, people, we got 10 feet. Sometimes we got 12. But if you know see a toilet pit, people, over 50 foot deep. What could have in that the pit so? Who could have really dig that the pit so? Honestly, people, over 50 foot. Jaja sees and Jaja knows. One hotel then did a plan to build this up. No man, I must something then did a plan to build that they bush the people that the pit they there. See, I could want look a house so. I must want hundreds of house to my plan to lead all of them that's they going that they whole day. See? But all me can say my viewers and subscribers. God have this man for a purpose. See? God have him for a purpose, people. He managed to live it out, people. And if he come tell the tales. See? About the pit where him call the bottomless pit. Just imagine how him family feel, how him kids them feel, how him friends feel, him everybody. Just imagine all the person who him drop off people, because the person who him drop off, you know, must feel a way, you understand, if you know say, yo, you know say, admin drop off, you understand, and if you know say, after him drop off people, drop it off a person, people, this go on, this happen. But by Jah will, as me tell my viewers and subscribers, grandpapa managed to live it out. The bottomless pit. God sees and God knows. Jaja. So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. You know? But yo, as me tell the people, when Jah have you for your purpose, no man, you understand, no boy, nobody can come to boom and just take you out like that, people. Because Jah know, you understand? Yeah, him have you for your purpose. So big up on yourself, my people. Enough love, enough respect, enough blessings. Peace, love, and be safe out there. You don't know the thing. Attack.